Hey guys, Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. Right now we are on a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice single lounger. So one thing that you'll notice about this boat is it's got tons of room. These nice long front loungers, just the attention to detail. When you sit on it, it's almost like a memory foam. It's very, very comfortable, and then you see just how plush with the, this is what's called the pillow top seating, and it just looks like a living room on the water. What you're also noticing is this the lighting package. You have the rope lighting at the seat bases, and then also you notice on the JL speakers that they are changing colors along with the cup holders. So tons of cup holders up here in the bow, 4 on each side. You'll notice a big, massive ski locker. We have a couple of fenders in there, just showing the size of that. And then this flooring looks like teak. It's not, it's more of a microfiber, real rubber, soft on the feet, easy to clean. And then as we sit here, you have the raised helm. Just a very comfortable captain's chair. You have access to all your lights here, and then easy to read gauge here. You also have your digital output, RPM, speed, hours, time, RPM. So you have a lot of things that you can access there. This is what's called the C zone, so you can do different types of lighting. So the night cruising dims it down, get your docking lights. You can do your dock party lights. So very customizable, a lot of fun. And then here you have your Simrad screen. So you can get it all registered, easy to read, you know, your trim, miles per hour, gallons available. But you have access to all these different screen setups. You can do a split screen. And just kind of one of those things that they really think of everything. Then as we move to the back, you'll notice speakers everywhere. The single lounger. So what we had before was, okay, so say we're cruising, everyone's in a comfortable social lounging area, and then we can lift this up, move it to where we have it like this. You have the full-on lounger in the back, and then we also have, where this comes out, we can bring this all the way down like so. Super cool. So it nice and flush. You have so many options now with this single lounger in the back. All new for 2020. Pretty damn cool. And as we go back here, you have the storage. So what we have in here is the cover, and then you also have a cooler here built in. A stereo remote back here. Rear facing speakers here. And then look at all the room here with the extended swim platform. This boat, I should also point out, it's equipped with the Mercury 300 horsepower motor. So really can do anything behind this, even like barefoot skiing. Tow point here. And then you also have, if you didn't notice, this Delta tower. And so you have a tow point up here as well. And you're going to notice the full length shade on this boat. So the shade coming off the back of the tower, and then the front shade attaching to the front of the tower. Basically, you can have all the shade, or you can bring this all in and have it to where, like going out at night, you get to see all the stars. So this boat has a ton of options. It's here in our Lakeway store. It's the 2020 Harris Solstice 250 single lounger with a 300 horsepower Mercury motor. There's so much on this boat. Just come see it out here in Lakeway. My name's Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sail and Ski, out here in Lakeway. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name's Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.